Okay, we're going to test the 50 amp socket. All right, we're going to start with the right side hot. So we got hot, hot, neutral, and ground. So we're going to start with the, we got our multimeter plugged into the volt spot and the comm spot. And here we go, and hope I don't blow myself up. And here we go. All right, look at that. And what's that reading, Jordan? That is reading 119, which is basically 120. Okay, so we're good. Okay, now we're going to go with the other hot to neutral. That was the first hot to neutral. Now here's the second hot to neutral. What do we got there? 120. Stop, Logan.
Oh man.
Right. Right. Now we're going to go hot to, hold on, stop, Logan, don't touch. Hot to ground. Should be 120. Yep. All right. Now it's not. Watch out, Logan. Hot. Now we're going to go hot. The other hot to ground. Stop, Logan. That should be 120, right? Okay. Now we're going to go ground to neutral, which should be 0, as long as we're grounded correctly. Yep, we are at 0. And now we're going to go hot to hot, which is where I almost blew myself up yesterday, but here we go. Watch out, Logan. Don't touch it. And we should be 240. 240. Perfect socket. All right. That's how you test 50 amp socket. Bye-bye.